to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me is Chef Alex.
Hello.
Today we're making teriyaki chicken. I'm going to be doing it with noodles. So we're going to make sauce number one. I've got one jalapeno and half a garlic. And of course this is going to go in the food processor. Before I do that, I need to put a little water in the pot. I got water boiling right now, and that is to make noodles. Wait a few minutes and Amy will get up and she'll be finishing the cooking of all stones. My mouth seems to be a little frozen today. Alright, so I'm going to stick this into the pot here. It's got a jalapeno that's seeded. I'm going to use the seed or a spoon to make sure that I'm watching my hand, because you don't want to put your hand in there and get it all full of garbage and then accidentally put it in your eyes or something, because that would really suck.
Yeah, the last thing you want is to get something hot in your hands and then rub your eyes by mistake.
I got 2 spoonfuls of Chinese chili oil. Always a really good choice. And then I'm going to put a tablespoon of honey. Now I'm using spaghetti noodles because it's what we have. You can use whatever noodles you want. Not a big deal. Anything that you have around the house. Cook them per directions. I'll show you what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to put a tablespoon of oyster sauce. And I'm using ABC soy sauce. This is a Dutch soy sauce. I'm putting quite a bit of it in here. It's low sodium, so it is better. Alright, so this is now boiling. So put that down the pot. Okay, so with these noodles, what we're going to do, you're going to use spaghetti noodles. We're going to eventually try to figure out how to open the box and bag. And then I'm going to break them basically into smaller pieces. Why? Because this makes it a little bit easier. Now you can use penne noodles if you want. You can use odom, different type of noodles. You want to use like a better Asian type of noodle, go ahead.
You could probably even use rice noodles.
Yep, whatever you want to do, it's not a big deal. If you want something lighter, go for a rice. Just don't pick too much up that you're going to that you can't actually break it. And I think that should be enough. Alright, so I actually heat on here good. So we're going to give this a good little stir here. So we're making teriyaki chicken, and this is sauce number 1. So there's a number of sauces. This is what it's actually going to cook in. For whatever reason, the low sodium soy sauce is incredibly freaking annoying for stickiness. Of course, for whatever reason, he's not going to cooperate with my hands today. Whenever I'm working with chicken, I like to use gloves. It's just easier on my hands. And also, it's gloves. They're bad. So anyways, this is Chef Paul, and with me is Chef Alex. I'm not trying to be rude, I totally should have introduced him. Now you can get all the fat off if you want. That's your choice. You can do that if you want. That's totally up to you. I'm not going to bother. The sea fat is good. And this recipe does not have a whole lot of fat. Much for being doing this. Alright, so we want to take a moment and we're going to cut each one up here. So right down the center. And you'll notice like the little white stuff here, that's generally considered to be fat. Like I said before, you can definitely cut that if you want. You don't have to.
But
I'm not going to.
it is good to have a little bit of fat.
Yeah. And chicken breast is generally low fat anyways.
Yeah.
So I'm going to take this on here. You can see how I'm slicing everything here. Don't need super big pieces. Of course, some restaurants will serve it with big pieces, some won't. Chef Paul's kitchen is not. I want small little bite pieces so you don't need to take a knife to it.
And one more.
Yeah, we're almost done with that. This is not a very long recipe to do. Doesn't take very long. It's actually pretty quick. Okay, so the chicken is all cut up, and I'm not going to put that in there quite yet because another 6 minutes I got to take the noodles out and try to strain them in a sink that's pretty full. Just going to give this a quick stir. Oh yes, here we go. So I got some flour. And you're gonna wonder why the heck do we have flour? You'll soon see. We do not need any salt. If you insist on salt, no salt or low salt would be fine, but you don't really need it. We do have sodium sauce for the mix, so it's not necessary. Even the low salt stuff is still going to have sodium, so
Any kind of soy sauce will have sodium.
you don't need salt. Alright, now I'm going to dump a little bit of flour, and that should be enough. And you're asking why on earth do we have flour? Well, that's actually easy. Because when we start frying this is going to soak up and absorb the sauce. It's almost like batter, like where we're going to be deep frying it and putting a like a thick batter on it, which we're not. But it will have somewhat. And I probably used too much batter, but that's fine. So that's good enough. Not quite yet. That does taste good. It's a little hot, it's a little spicy. But it is good. Someone tells me this is not going to go well. But it'll be alright.
Why? Because it's too spicy?
No, it's
Oh,
too
the strainer.
full.
Oh.
I gotta strain this in 3 minutes.
Oh, okay.
But all in all, this is really a very simple recipe. It's not that hard to do. But I've got a store-bought container of teriyaki sauce, which I'm going to finish off with. And I've got some 3 green peppers, 4 stalks of celery, green onions, 1 onion, and some carrots. It's really all it is. It's not that complex. This is sauce number 1. Half a thing of garlic. It's gonna put some ginger. We ran out, and what we did have went bad, so that ain't gonna go in there. Some Chinese chili oil, a jalapeno, some low sodium soy sauce, a little bit of water.
I think oyster sauce too.
Oyster sauce, And that's basically it. And some honey.
Yeah, honey too.
So it's going to give a little bit of sweet. Most times I see this, people like to use, really like to use a
lot of salt.
lot of salt and sugar.
That's no good.
You don't need to do that.
No, you really don't need more salt or sugar.
No, you don't need sugar at all. That's why
No.
I put the honey in there.
Yeah.
Alright, so enough of that.
Say hi, Alejandro.
Alright, wish me luck. So this actually went better than I thought it would. So let's go take that off here. And I'm just going to leave this sit for now for a few minutes. I got to wake Amy up and bug her for a few minutes, and then we'll be back and basically finish it up because we're almost done. It's really that simple. So we'll be back, all right? Thank you. Welcome back. So we got Amy,
Hi.
Poul, and Chef Ellis.
Hi.
And we got everything ready. We got sauce number 1 here. We got the noodles all going, and now Amy's going to put some oil, liberally coat in the pan. Then we're going to turn the heat on, and we're going to cook the chicken. Amy's favorite. Amy loves chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken's really good. If you're seriously considering some of your dietary issues, and you're wondering what you can do to help with a lot of the fats, chicken breast can be some of the best things that you'll ever have, because chicken breast is very lean, it's very good, so it's really good that way. Hi Choco, this is Chef Choco. He wants to be a part of this.
Hey, Choco.
And this is Chef Sally.
Hey, Sally.
Choco's very affectionate. He'll tell you when he wants someone to give him attention. He doesn't ask, he tells you. There's no asking with Choco. Sally, she's about the same. She'll dart right in the bedroom. With me at least, I don't know how bad she is with Amy, but with me at least, I can't go to the bathroom. I can't go outside. I can't go in the bedroom. I can't go anywhere without her half the time. She really wants to be constantly held. She wants to be with you all the time. She's an amazing cat.
My cats are kind of like that too. They follow me around everywhere.
I kind of like that to a degree, but sometimes it drives you up the wall.
Yeah.
Okay, Amy, here's her chicken, and I'm gonna get you to start putting that in here. In this house, we gotta watch where you step.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't need all the flour, but there we go. So what Amy's gonna do here, she's gonna cook this down.
Gotta make sure I have it in my hand.
Oh, I thought you did. Now, as it starts cooking down, we're going to put these veggies in, except for these. We don't want the green onions until the very last. We're going to put carrots, green peppers, celery, and onion, and we're going to put that in here.
The green onions are
For the top.
for the top. They're a garnish.
Yeah. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take that sauce that we made, sauce number 1, and we're going to pour that in there now. When Amy sees that this is starting to cook down more, then what she's going to do is she's going to put the veggies in. And at the very end, she's going to put the noodles in. I mean, it seems like it's really complex, but it's not. Amy's going to do phenomenally well. Now, anytime I need something cooked and I just don't have the energy level to watch it, I got Amy here. She's absolutely wonderful. You don't necessarily always get give Amy the most credit for the cooking on Poul's Kitchen, but believe it or not, Amy does a lot more than the camera shows. I do a lot of cooking, but so does Amy. Amy is an amazing cook. Now, you're gonna ask why I put flour in there. It's gonna help thicken the sauce, number one. And then number two, it's gonna help stick to the chicken. So it's gonna have sauce all over the chicken. And then by the time, and we're gonna use a bottle of PF Chang's. It's an American brand, I think.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know how we got it, but we do. And that's going to go over everything when everything's all completed and done. This is cut up, so this shouldn't take very long to cook, but we're going to leave Amy be for a few moments to finish this. When she's ready to put the vegetables in, we'll be right back. So Amy's doing great here. I mean, Amy, doesn't this look great?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna start slowly, and you don't want to just dump, because that will just cause problems. So it's green peppers, onions, and lastly, green peppers.
Celery.
Celery. So Amy's going to mix that all in there. How's the chicken looking?
Good.
Oh, that smells really good too.
I hope I'll get to try some.
We're gonna give you a go away container of it when you go.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
No problem. Alright, so where is that last thing here? Okay, so it's gonna have to be. Oh. Okay, so lastly, what we're going to do here is we're going to put the noodles in.
And you want to make sure it's mixed in with the sauce really well.
Yeah, because I mean that's important. Like
Yeah.
The noodles have to have this flavor to it. Otherwise, it just tastes really bland.
Yeah.
That's one of most people's complaints about eating their mother's spaghetti. Well, I mean, Amy's mother was a really good cook, so I mean, she didn't have that complaint. But some of us, you're dealing with our mother's spaghetti. It was so bland and inspirationless. And the reason for that is mom had to cook for a lot of different children and just didn't have time to really do a good job. It was edible. It was good for you.
You're not letting me stir it.
Oh, sorry.
You keep adding and spaghetti's heavy.
Oh. Last spoonful, I think. Alright, so we got all the spaghetti in here now.
Are we adding that?
We are, but that will be at the very end.
Oh.
So what we're going to do now is Amy's going to finish mixing that, and then we're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes. I think she's got that good enough right now, so we're going to put this in here, and we're going to let this go for 5 minutes. We're going to come back, and then we're going to put the last sauce on, give it a mix, and serve. So that's basically it. Did this take very long?
No, not at all.
No, pretty easy. The worst of it was prep the veggies. So, pretty easy. So, we'll be back. And we're back. So, I'm going to take the cover off here, and I'm going to use this burner, put this on, and we're done. Except for one little thing.
The teriyaki sauce.
Yeah. So we got two different versions of it. We got a homemade one, and we got a store-bought one. And I'm normally not big on store-bought, but just to give it that nice, rich texture on it. I don't know about you guys, but I love teriyaki sauce.
Yeah.
Me too.
I absolutely love it. It's not necessarily the healthiest thing in the world, which is why if you want to take, just increase the measurements quite a bit of what we made in the first sauce, and you can do it that way. This is my feel-good sauce, my sauce to feel good with. Amy, what do you think here?
Looks good.
I think it's going to taste really good. I think it's going to taste wonderful. Amy's a powerhouse. She's Miss Muscle. I swear to God, this woman was pure muscle. She
No.
dragged a 250-pound couch by herself.
That was years ago, honey.
She still do it though. Mrs. Muscle. Amy's great for that. Couldn't live without her. By the way, we celebrated our 18th wedding anniversary this week. 18 years in life and she got it. 18 in life to go. Your crime is time and it's 18 years to go. If you know what that song is, you're too old and too hokey. But if I had a choice to go back and do the 18 years all over again, I wouldn't change a thing. Amy is the best thing that ever happened to me. Alright, so I think we're done. So Amy, can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Can you take a little fork here? I'll eat that. Take a little taste. How was it?
Really good.
Alright, so I'm going to turn the heat off. And we're back here. So please hit like, share, subscribe button. Thank you to my wonderful wife Amy. Visit our website www.poulskitchen.com. On the upper right hand corner is where our books are. All our recipes all on there. And that's our chicken teriyaki. We hope you enjoy and thanks for coming in, guys.